So when Google released Google Pixel 6 and Google Pixel 6 Pro, we found out that a lot of people were complaining that the fingerprint scanner were not really responsive like they wanted. So in this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you how you're going to make the fingerprint scanner a bit more responsive, and also how you're going to be able to set up your fingerprints on your new device. So if you're new, just give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to your settings, and then you go to where you're going to find your fingerprint scanner. That is going to be at the security section, and then you scroll down and you're going to see your fingerprint unlock right here. So you input your passcode you've already used on your phone, and then you're going to tap on more, and then you tap on agree, and then you tap on start, and then you are going to get your fingerprint scanner section where you're going to put your finger on for it to pick it, so that you're going to be able to unlock your device. So I'm going to just do this, and then you follow suit if you want to just get your fingerprint set up right here. So you can use both fingers in order to just get your fingerprint unlock very easily with either of your fingers. In case maybe you are doing something and you want to unlock your phone, you don't have to necessarily just use one finger, so that it will just be a bit limited. So this is what you need to do in order to just get your fingerprint scanner or your fingerprint on your device. So if you want to just make this more responsive, you can just add a lot more in order to just make this more responsive than it used to be, because a lot of people were complaining about this fingerprint scanner right here. So adding a couple of more fingerprints right here is gonna increase the way your phone is actually gonna respond when you try unlocking your device with your finger. So I think it is gonna be very helpful to everyone. And people are complaining that this is not really smart like they think, or it's not really smart like the Samsung phones. And I want to tell you that when Samsung first released the Samsung A70 and then A50 with those optical under-screen fingerprints, it wasn't that quick like it used to be, but a couple of updates came through and then it became that quick, and then people are now enjoying it. So Google is actually rolling out updates, and in case maybe everything is being rolled out to the public, I'm actually going to share with you a video, or I'll let you guys, in order to just make you know what is new with this fingerprint scanner. And they actually wrote something on their Twitter page that they made the fingerprint scanner this way for it to just consult the tensor chip before everything is being unlocked or the device is being unlocked. So I think it's intentional with Google trying to just make this fingerprint a bit slower than it used to be. So just subscribe to the channel if you own any of these phones, because I'm going to be making a lot of videos in order to just help you. And the next video I'm going to be sharing with you is how to increase the battery life of your device. So if you really want to know how you're going to be able to increase the battery life of this device, just make a date for the next video, and I'm going to share with you a lot you need to know. So you can check this video out here if you want to know more about apps we are going to be able to just install on this device in order to make you enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video up, and then share to anyone you think that is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.